Roblox free items. But before start, don't forget to subscribe and like for more. Number 1, how to get this for items. Search Metaverse Champions Hub. Click the first game and play, and wait 5 seconds and leave. And check your inventory. To how I get this, search Ready Player 2 Hub. And click first game, join and leave. After you leave, check your inventory. 3, how I get this? Search Thai Verdi Concert. Play and click basket. Click free and you can get that's 3 items. For how I get this cutie flower bag. Play Spotify. You need to collect 20 music and you can get the bag. Last how I get this for bag. Play Hello Sanctuary and you can get the bag. That's so easy. That's all, thanks for watching. Want part 2? Don't forget to subscribe and like for more. Thank you.